मीटिंग एज पर द इंस्ट्रक्ट सरकार का निर्देश का हिसाब से आज को 20 तारीख को 100 दिन हम लोगों का सरकार का हुआ है, बीजेपी सरकार का। तो हम लोग को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया है कि सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक ऐसा हम लोग प्रेस को बुलाए, मीडिया को बुलाएं और सिटीज़न को बुलाएं, छोटा सा मीटिंग करने के लिए बोला है, क्योंकि आज वैसे भी कोविड का सिचुएशन चल रहा है। इसी कारण से हम लोग को एक छोटा मीटिंग के लिए बुलाया। सो ज़्यादा लोगों को बुलाया नहीं, आप लोगों को बुलाया और कुछ NGOs को बुलाया। ये 100 डेज जो सरकार का हुआ है, मैं ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मिस्टर हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा का जो फॉरवर्ड है, जो चिट्ठी है, उसको मैं पढ़ दूंगा। आपको भी डिटेल में ऐसे बुकलेट बनाया है सरकार ने, उसको एक एक कॉपी आप लोग को दिया जाएगा। फॉर द सेक ऑफ द मीटिंग हम ये पढ़ देंगे, so that you are fully aware of what our honorable chief minister is conveying to the people of the entire state and Dima Hasao in particular. So I'll read it very carefully and slowly. Making the most of our 100 days. Dear citizens, it is said, well begun is half done. Hence, ever since our government assumed office by riding high on strong public goodwill, it has been our constant endeavor to live up to your expectations. After all, you reposed faith on us and believed in our promises to help bring about a transformation change in governance and delivered you an Assam of your dreams. And building on Adarniya Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji's philosophy of give to the patients in form of hospitalization, in form of vaccination, we have done the best in this country, and it was one of the better performing states in the country itself as far as COVID-19 is concerned. So 100 days briefly he told us many other things, that what steps he has taken against the war against drug. Even in case of Dima Hasao, for that matter, you must have seen our SP, we have caught some narcotics in some areas, and also poppy plantation. So some cases were there in Assam, in our district also. Cattle preservation, something we don't have discussed in our district, but Orunodai, I must say that Orunodai has been quite successfully implemented in our district. A lot of people have got benefit of direct. It's a first direct DBT code, direct benefit scheme, where you don't have to. Once the list was final and we entered in the computer, the money will directly go from finance to their bank account without any problem, any issues. So this was wonderfully done. I think it was before the elections, if I'm not wrong. But it was very well done. So people are benefited who are poor and economically backward. And other minimum governance and maximum governance, they have what he's trying to tell us is basically is that they're allowing deputy commissioners' role to be bigger, to an extent that they are asking us to work more proactively with the schemes, monitor it properly. If I'm, let me also expand on this, about the SDG goals, Sustainable Development Goals, which the UN has given to all of us. In these goals, there are 17 goals, and these 17 goals are measurable goals, and there are around 200 indicators, but we need not worry about those. There are 20 odd indicators we have to do.